Welcome back. You're still tuned into Midcap Radar on CNBC-TV18. Well, Confidence Petroleum is the stock buzzing in trade today. Reported a good set of Q1 numbers led by the growth in LPG division. LPG dispensation volumes, they have gone up in terms of revenues as well. They have done well. Nitin Khara, the Chairman and Chief Managing Director at Confidence Petroleum, is joining us now. They've increased the number of LPG dispensing stations as well as per their exchange filing today. They've commissioned 13 auto LPG dispensing stations. Mr. Khara, good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. Well, this was a strong quarter, and if I look at the numbers, it was largely driven by your LPG division. Can you give us a sense of what was the volume growth in the LPG dispensation division this time? What is the outlook going forward for FY24?
Yeah, good afternoon, Sonal. Good afternoon, Ekta. Yes, we did good in last quarter as compared to YOY. We see last as compared to last YOY, we did only 355, but now revenue has gone up to 875 as well. EBITDA also from 38 to 77 this quarter. So in all our verticals, we are doing good. Not only the auto LPG, but in pack cylinder, that is LPG retail also we are doing good. In CNG retail also we are doing good. So altogether, this our first quarter went good. We just with completion of this 13 station in last quarter, we reached to 248 auto LPG station now, which we are targeting for 500 by 2025. And if I can say for this year growth, it will come from our LPG retail business also, because we are doing good in retail also. Earlier in last YOY, we were selling only 5,000 metric ton per month, but now we are selling almost 14 to 15,000 metric ton per month, which we are targeting to 25,000 metric ton by March 25. And 25 to 30,000 we can say here. And simultaneously in LPG retail also we have developed 32 CNG stations in Bangalore, which we have signed agreement with GAIL to develop 100 CNG stations in Bangalore. That's also on track, and we will definitely hopefully complete by March 25, which this 100 CNG station. In addition to that, we are again targeting more 100 CNG station with other CGD players. The talk is going on, and hopefully, so by March 25, we are with 200 CNG stations in operational. So 500 auto LPG station in operational by March 25, this CNG station 200 by March 25. Hopefully we are targeting to growth of 40% per annum from this quarter, I can say here.
Okay, all right. Just hold that thought, Mr. Khara, because we do have a date for the Jio Financial Services listing. Remember, it is the demerged financial arm of Reliance Industries, and it will be listed on this coming Monday. So that's a piece of news to keep a track on. But Mr. Khara, just coming back to the LPG dispensing stations, you added around 13 auto LPG dispensing stations, which you've announced to the exchanges today itself. What will this mean in terms of incremental volumes, and what is the addition that is lined up for FY24?
Now, presently we are selling almost 3,75,000 liters per day. So in addition of this 13 station, we are targeting to reach around 4,20,000 to 4,25,000 liters per day in coming quarter, you can say, or coming time. So in addition of volume is almost I can put around 15% we can with this addition of 13 stations.
Okay, 15% volume growth or growth will come by because of these 13 additional LPG dispensing stations. You also had plans to increase your total bottling plants to 75. The last conversation we had, you said you'll be putting on a capex of around 102 crore rupees. What is the current number of the bottling plants? What is the outlook going forward there?
Yeah, Sonal, we touched 66. Now presently we are operating 66 LPG bottling plant across the country. and another 9 are in pipeline, which we are targeting by this year end. We will complete all 75 bottling plant by this fiscal.
Okay. Well, 17% of your shares are still pledged. What is the plan on reducing the pledge?
Now, in this quarter, we will will remove all the place shares by this quarter. As you know that we have started LPG import, our LPG import, so immediately working capital requirement is there. And due to this, earlier we used to procure our LPG through domestic market only, but now we are procuring our LPG as the volume is now growing up. So we are procuring through the international market, and due to that, our margins has also increased. The rates are now very economical to us for our volume, and as day by day our volumes are growing up, so we have started this import of our LPG on, and due to that, again the addition of our margins, we are getting that.
Mr. Khara, you speak about working capital requirements and things like that. Pledge has been an issue for a couple of quarters. And when you speak about imported LNG, even gas prices have started moving up yet again. Do you think, one, that will impact margins in the coming quarters? And second, is this the quarter where pledge will be released? Because that is something that you had said earlier as well.
No, see, definitely prices are now again going up. But as we have now strategized our financial requirement whatsoever, so that's why now we are removing our place, what we place for that, number one. Number two, margins are, we are running with our business with the same equal margins. Whatever price has been increased by the international market, we are increasing our price here also. So I don't think there will be any comparison on the margin side. So margins will be, I think margin will be remain the same, what we are presently getting in our retail and in our auto LPG, in our CNG retails also.
Okay, just quickly, you had some orders which you had won from Tata as well as other groups, worth around 300 odd crores. How much is executed and when will we see it accrue on your books?
Almost 85% we have executed that orders now, and it is running, every quarter it is running on. And fresh new orders also we are likely to get from other OEMs also. So all means our CNG cylinder manufacturing business is also we are getting some cascade and others orders from the other OEMs teams, and so almost all the orders are completing, and plus additional orders also we are expecting in the coming future.
Okay, Mr. Khara, we will take your leave on that note and we'll hold on to that guidance as well. That's the word coming in from Confidence Petroleum. Very bullish on the prospects going ahead and targeting a 40% growth this year itself. Of course, the flashes continue to be very important. Jio Financial Services to be listed on August 21st, and the price, the demerged price indicated a listing price of 261.8 rupees per share. That is what the indication was. So that is the price level that we'll be watching out for on Monday for Jio Financial Services. Reliance Industries is at the day's high as we speak. It has recovered sharply from the day's low on the back of this news update that has come by. We'll get you more details on this one. For now, we'll slip into a short break. When we come back, we'll get you more on the stock-specific action and the market action as well. Stay tuned.